here we have the black diamond rechargeable head torch. This one's the 500 aluminum. I bought this so I didn't have to keep buying batteries, so I could just charge it. It takes about 300 to charge. It has also got like a little buttons to tell you how much charge you've got left. So this one's just about empty, which is fine. It's got a lot of use over the weekend. I wouldn't go any smaller than the 500 in terms of brightness, because I just don't think it'd be good enough. Let's try the torch. So that's that direct beam. So if I put this up into the something bouncing around in the bush there, that's your direct beam. Have a little look down there. Let's have a look at so that's your spread out beam. So you can see what you get. It sort of disperse right across, so you get a good variety across. And then if you want to have a look at your red light, something in the bush there. There he is. Kangaroos eating more tomato plants. Get out of here. Anyway, that's your light. This bit, red. So you can see quite well. In terms of throwing light, you've got some really good options in terms of your direct beam light, which will throw 120 meters. That would last 7 hours, or if you want that sort of, surrounding light, it's around about that 60 meters, and it'll last there about your 19 hours, 20 hours, which is pretty cool. You've got also your different color lights if you want to be sitting there eating, or you don't want to shine your torch in people's eyes. You've got your different colors as well. So that's your green. Just hold it down, you'll change into your blue, hold it down again, change into your red, and then you can just flick through. I'll sort of make sure that doesn't light. That's your direct light. I won't shine it into the camera because it will be quite bright. And then you've got your surrounding light. So yeah, it's a nice, you can feel it's decent quality anyway. You've got your adjustables here as well, like the angle you like. A washable band. We've also got 1 meter to 30 minutes water resistance there, so that's not too bad. Like I said, I think I said a 3-hour charge or recharge, which isn't too bad. So overall, I was quite happy with the actual head torch. So it'll definitely be coming out on a few more adventures with me. So yeah, great product.